What is going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream trading. Hope everybody out there is doing well today. As for myself, interesting day, y'all. Interesting day. Almost gave up the ghost. End of the day, stupid trade. Almost went from a nice solid green day to a daily max loss green day. Trade ended up working. It's like I always say, y'all, I could be up. I literally was up $700. I took a trade trying to make $300 and literally took that 700 and went all the way into the red. Didn't stop me out. And it ended up turning around. But before we go into anything else, I'm gonna jump over to Profitrade real quick. It's 8:26 in the evening. Let y'all see what we doing. I am currently in a trade. I have already locked in $259. Stop is in profit. And I'm just going to try to let this thing work. I'm going to let you see what it looks like on. Look at it go. That's what I'm talking about. I was in, I want to say 15 contracts. It made a decent move. I got out of 14 of them, decided to hold on to one of them. And it's working for us. I'm trying to debate and see if I want to take my, let's go ahead. I'm gonna bring up TOS real quick, and I'm gonna figure out how I want to manage this. Definitely don't want to let this come all the way back down. Let's maximize the 1 minute chart real quick so we can see where it's at. If you notice, this was my entry right around here, making this move back up. We see right now it is in the down channel, trying to hold. Literally could play this back up to VWAP if it holds this channel. I think I'm gonna take my stop up to 804. So let's do that. 804 would put it right about here, which is look at that. I got a price level line right there. So I think that's good. I wish I was in one more. I would definitely exit it now. I like whole numbers. So right now I'm up over $51 on this trade. I'm gonna monitor it. Notice it's rejecting the midline right now. And I also have another price level line at 820. I might just go ahead and exit out of this. Don't come down too far on me. I'm a bar by bar this. I'll put my stop right there. This is going, if I stop out, I'm gonna make a little less. I'll be up a little less than 300. But I think I like my stop sitting right there. While that's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and bring up my dashboard real quick. So it'll be ready to go and we can take a look and see how we're looking. I'm gonna go ahead, flip this back over to Profitrade. Look at that nice little pop though. Notice how it's rejecting that midline though. I'm gonna tighten this stop up a little bit. I'm a little funny like that. This is probably going to kind of flag out and go, but I'm gonna stop out. There we go. Up 302.70 on the day. Or on the evening, I should say. So this is going to account for Tuesday, and yeah, that's what we're up 302 on the day. But back to what I was talking about, y'all. Solid day. For the past week, I've been doing everything right. And look how this is flushing down. That was a good trail stop out. Good trail stop out. Didn't flag out like I thought it would do, but that's why I put my stop up here, because if it doesn't flag like I want it to, I'll go ahead and just get out the trade. Now it could go on and keep ripping up, but I'm good. I got what I wanted out that trade. But yeah, good solid Sunday evening session trading. Took some trades this morning and got back into the market around 2:45 after I said I was done, and just made a boneheaded decision, y'all. Thought I was making some progress. Evidently, we took like one step backwards, but like I said, trade ended up working. Ended up making, I want to say $300 on the trade. Finished up on today, which is Monday, up right about 973. So let's switch on over to the dashboard real quick. Let's look and see where we at, y'all. Let's look and see where we are at. Balance 53,206. This is in 4 days, y'all. This is in 4 days of trading this PA account. Drawdown. Ain't used up none of it. Daily loss. Boy, oh, actually, I was going to say we got close to this, but I was already up about $700. Unrealized losses, I was down about $1,000. So technically I was not close to this because I had that $700 worth of locked in profit that I was in. So not quite as bad, but definitely was not smart at all. Wasn't smart at all. Profit target 28.35. They moved my profit target up because I made a little bit too much money on Friday. But look at where we're sitting at, 32.06. Already over what I need to get a payout. This should be the 4th day. So let's go up here and request payout, even though I can't. Just so that we can see this. Payout frequency, 4th day. 4th day over the $180. I always try to just round it to 200. So I don't think I'm going to trade anymore in this account tomorrow. I don't need to. I'm over on 4 days, over the $200 for the no flipping rule. Come Wednesday, I'm not going to back down, y'all. This strategy is working. The only thing that will make this strategy not work is me. If I equate myself into the equation, that will cause this strategy not to work. One thing I noticed, they added this new thing, consistency. Can anybody out there tell me what this is? This was not on there yesterday. It says that like it's 2 days. So I guess you got to have 2 days of consistency. I'm at 3 days. No clue what that means. But right now, 90% of 606 is what they're going to pay me. So they're going to take $60. They're going to take $60 of that. I'll get $540. And then 50% of, if I take the max, 50% of $1,700. So I would get paid out $850. So that'll be like $1,300 right now. And this thing just ripped. $1,300 right now. Me personally, on a 50% split, on a 50-50 split, the smart thing to do is maximize this 90. If you can get this all the way up to $2,300, you banging. And that's why I'm not going to let up and this thing just hit the target that I would have been going for. Let's go and we'll flip on over there in a second. But yeah, so that's where we're sitting at. Let's come on down, look at the particulars real quick. Balance 3163.89. We are killing it. We've paid $380 in commissions. Part of doing business. I like to watch other YouTubers. Prefer to watch professionals, but I watch some people that's on the same level that I'm on. But when I could watch a professional trader and they say the same thing that I say, I was watching a guy yesterday and he mentioned how he trades micros. He prefers the micros over the minis because it allows him to scale in. That's the only thing that helped me today, y'all. Only thing that helped me today is that I was in micros and not minis. If I was in minis, it would have been a disaster. Definitely would have took a max loss day. But because I was in micros, I was able to stay the course and let that trade come back and work for me. Right now, showing that we've traded 257 micros, basically 25 minis. Average trade, $12.31. Average hold time, 9 minutes and 50 seconds. Average winner, 12.31. Max winner, 65. We still haven't taken any losses over here, y'all. This is pretty good. Here, just showing the trades today. Look at this, y'all. $31 a contract. Banged them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10 of them. Actually, that's 9 of them at 31. Killer. Killer, killer, killer. We won't look at all of these, but look at this, y'all. Holding them a little bit longer. Remember, usually it'd be like $4, $31, $12, $6, $15, $14. We were holding. This was that last one that I just took right here. You see the time, 8:20 and 54 seconds. Took this one right off the open, y'all. 6 o'clock. We'll take a look at that one. 250. This was the bad trade. That was the bad trade. 250. Horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Good trade around noontime. Excellent trade right around the open. So let's go on over. Let's flip back over to the charts real quick. We'll take a look at those. Look at this is what I was talking about. Look how this kind of just grinded down. That's that flag. It did it. It did it. It did it. It did it. That's the flag. Breaks the highs. Rip. Solid, 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 solid looking flag. Boom, boom, rip. All right. We're good with that. I did take some trades yesterday evening. We won't really look at those. We'll just look at what we did this morning. I was watching a little young brother this just a little while ago. Like I said, I watch other traders online, and man, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. It was funny. It was funny, but I felt the young brother's pain. I felt it. He took a trade off the open, y'all. I took a trade off the open, but he took the trade right when the market opened. I took it about 20 seconds after it opened. So let's take a look at this. I got in this trade at 9:30 and 21 seconds. And what price was I getting in at? 20972. 20972. Let's keep going. Whoa. Yep. 20972. What's the low of that candle? Did I actually catch a gravy fill? It's something that usually does not happen. I'm looking at this candle. The low is 975. So I got in on this candle though right there. I guess it may have just wicked down, but I got in at 9:30, and then I got in at 9:31. I added, and then I got in at 9:32. And all of these entries, this is crazy. All of these entries was the same price, 972.97. Playing this to hold VWAP. Playing that to hold VWAP. I got out of these at 9:32 and 48 seconds at 9:89. Boom. Got out of all of them right there. And I was in, let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, same 9. Boom, boom. So I'm not always playing my trend trading strategy, the LMD 1, 2, 3 trend trading strategy. Gotta have other plays in your book. This is basically just a VWAP hold. You see over there, it let it go. That was second time around though. First time around, I'll play it to hold. Let's come on over and look. It was below it, reject, below it, broke through clean, came on up, flush back out, market open, nasty candle. Look at the candle though. I'm gonna remove that arrow. Candle basically came right to VWAP, and you also see the red line there. Why is my iPad? Oh, the battery is finally charged up. 200 SMA is right there as well. So I'm taking that. I'm taking that. I put on small risk. I was not sized in initially. I just added when it came back over. And then when it came back over again, I added some more to the position. It made the move. As you can see, I really would have got paid in this candle. Actually made the comment in the Discord, like, boy, oh boy, did I not hold long enough. Here we go. Let's pop on over to the Discord screen real quick. Actually, no, we won't. What I'll do is just drag it over. That's easier. But we could see right there, 935, caught the VWAP bounce, got out way too early, wanted to trail one, but trailed them all. I was up 530 bucks at that point. Said that I was locking it in. Anything over 500 is a good day, which it is. But like I said, if opportunity presents itself, I'll step on the gas. So I ended up taking another trade, just one contract at 1029. So let's go ahead. Let's drop that arrow on the chart. 1029. We got in at 917. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Now we trading the LMD 1, 2, 3 trend trading strategy. That there was a solid entry. Banger entry. See where we got out at 931. So we got out 2 minutes later, 931. And I got out at 921. I let this come all the way back down on me, y'all. Let it come all the way back down. Now that was not good. Not at all. Me, and this is because I was only in one contract, full disclosure. Any other time, I'm trailing out up here. Price level line, midline, I'm trailing out. I'm locking something in. I'm not going to let this come all the way down and basically stop me out break even. I made $8.30 on that one contract. Had I been in 9 like I was on the prior trade, I'm trailing out up here. I am trailing out. But we do see that this thing rolled over. Just gave up what they call the ghost. Let's look at this one at 1218. Let's come on over to 1218 real quick. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Looky, sucky. I'm going to go ahead and clean this stack up a little bit. Not quite on top of the line like is that 2 of them right there? Hold on. Yeah, let me remove that one. And I wanted to, oh, I see. Yeah. I see exactly what I did. Instead of activating, I duplicated. There we go. Better. This is what I call the duplicate and stack. This was the initial. This first one was the initial down channel. I duplicated it and I stacked it. I'll talk about that in the book. Let's see. 1218 took the first trade. Let's see where 1218 is at. Let's go. Let's go. This is something that I kind of have started doing as well. 841 was the entry. 841, getting in right there. Duplicated it, stacked it. I'll take this going this way all day long. Coming down this way, same way. First candle to make a new high, I'm going to take that because this is extended. This is extended. But took that one right there, 1218, got in at 841. I was out. The next candle, 848. 848. As it had made this move up. I trail stopped when it came back, but I was not going to let it do what it did to me over there. You see, that's exactly what it did. Rolled over. Quick scalps, but I had a little bit of size on that. Let's take a look, man. I really don't want to look at these, but I will. Let's look at this one that I took end of day. After this trade, I said I was done. I was up about $700. I sat back down at the computer and just took a boneheaded trade, y'all. Took a boneheaded trade. Let's see. What time did we get into the first one, man? Y'all gonna see just how bad. Actually, hold on. Let me see. 250. It don't look as bad as I thought it did. Was there a trade? Oh, I see what it's doing, y'all. Yeah, that's why all those prices the same, because it's averaging the price. It ain't giving me the price of when I bought in, and this, that kind of changed that, looked like it. It's showing that my average was 20864. No way was my average way up here. That's where yeah, that's crazy. Yeah. Profitrade's data on this one is off. But I did average my way in again because I was trading micros. I was in like over. Oh, you big dummy. Here we go. Get over there. There you go. Man, sometimes, y'all, just sometimes. Yeah, I was in over here. 864. Where we at? Right there. I took a long right here, y'all. Playing this to hold this midline. Small size. I rode this all the way down. Grab some more down in this area right here. Let's look and see so I can make sure. Yep, 303. Grab some more as it was bouncing right here. Averaged in a little bit more. Grab some more right there. Again, everything is showing 264 or 864. I know that's not the right price. I know where I was getting in at. Candles are way down here. Ain't no way I'm paying 864 for all of them. First one I took there, grab some more here, grab some more as this was coming up. And the last time I grabbed something was 334. 334. Where you at? 334. Right here. Grab some more right there as it was catching this money zone. And when did we get out of all of them? 341. Let's take a look at that. 341. Got out on this candle, got out at 868. We can rely on that because everything came out right there. These here, I took a major hit on. Came on down, Good ads, trusting this channel. And we see that it made a nice move up. Look where it found resistance at 430. Nice little reject coming back down. So solid trade. Had I just waited, had I been patient and got in down here on the right side, I could take that one. Small size, micros, scaling, comes back over. I can add some more. So really the only bad entry was right here. But trust me, y'all, this drawdown was scary. My stop right here. I was given that this wick. This wick, I would have got out of quite a bit of the position, would have held like maybe a few of them. That wick would have got me out of everything, but it held. It held, made the move, lived to fight another day. And yeah, it is what it is. We can keep it pushing. Let me see if I could pull up this video real quick. Like I said, I don't want to harp on the young brother because I like to see my young brothers out trading, but I'm gonna show you trading at open can be very, very difficult. You saw I took that trade maybe 20 seconds into the open, and I took it at a level that I can deal with. But watch this, y'all. Let's see. And young buck, don't try to strike me. But let's see. Look, same time frame. But he has an order sitting there. And watch what this does. He has a long order right there.
Here we go. Damn, what the fuck? Order filled. Nah.
That's rough. That's that volatility. That's that volatility. And see, if he just would have waited, I don't see VWAP on his chart, but had he had that level marked there to know, okay, I can go long there. But yeah, that was tough to watch too, young buck. But I know you're gonna be right back at it again. But on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. And let me see. Hold on one second. Did I? Oh, let's see. My camera froze. There we go. We back. And I'm trying to pull up his channel. Yeah, he's AP Take Profit. So going over there and give my man a sub. He already killing him. He real close to having 4,000 subs. So if my 10 subs can go over there and and give him a subscribe, we can get him up over 4,000. I ain't nowhere near that, young buck, so keep doing what you doing. But on that note, I'm gonna wrap this one up. We well over my 20 minutes today. Y'all know I don't be liking to go over 20 minutes. But thanks for checking me out. If you hadn't hit that like button, please do so. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. And as always, we can continue the conversation in the comments. Like I said, if you know what that consistency tab is now that Profitrade has implemented, please let me know. I'm about to try to do a little research once I get off of here. Other thing, still waiting on my payout to be approved. They have not approved it yet. Still in limbo. So we waiting to see that get approved. Also waiting on something else to be approved with them for one of my affiliate payouts. So yeah, that's what we're waiting on. As always, thanks for checking me out. If you're interested in Profitrade, Link is in the description. Promo code is on the thumbnail. Let's get that money. Like I said, I'm trying to get this ebook finished. I was on fire when I was in Phoenix writing it, and then I just kind of tailed it off, but I need to go ahead and get that done. That helps me out as well with my trading. If I can go in and look at that, and it's mainly risk management though. The strategy is solid. It's the risk management that's going to take me out when it takes me out. But on that note, I'm up out of here. We'll be back at it again. I don't know. I don't think I want to trade tomorrow. We're already up over that 180. If anything, I can go down to 200, but I saw how that worked today. I let my emotions get the best of me, and I would have gave back a significant, not significant. I would have gave back everything I made today, trying to make $300. Not very smart. But on that note, I'm up out of here. Peace.